Actually, I'm doing here in University of Lahore, doing computer engineering in Pakistan. Actually, the situation in Palestine, especially in Gaza, it's too much bad. The last time there is no water, electricity, as well there is no fuel, as well internet. So the necessities of life, it's not available over there. Actually, as you've seen in the news, Israeli occupation, they kill more than 2,800 people over there. Mostly are from kids and women. Kids even delivered yet as well. There is more than 10,000 people get injured from this war over there in Palestine without any medical tools over there. Actually, the last time that I connect to my family, it was yesterday by international call. They was good, but actually the situation in Palestine, it's not that much good. It's not safe. Before these days, before I called them, because there is no internet. Once they connect to internet, they was sending me we are alive, don't worry. We get worried about that because as you see in the news or whatever, when you see that in social media, Israeli people bombing everywhere. Like last time when I called them, my mother and my sister was going from North Gaza to South Gaza as Israeli occupation asked them to go.
As you all see, so in the news, the Palestinian situation is not that good. But there is if you want to get freedom, there is a cost for every freedom. So we believe that no matter the cost is, we will get our freedom back. We should support our people in Palestine, even if we are out of the country. So we made a donation. Pakistani government did a lot for us. We have a scholarship. We're paying nothing for the study.